What if I told you that the first $100,000 is the hardest, but once you hit it, your net worth can skyrocket faster than you ever imagined? Sounds crazy, right? But it's 100% true. Most millionaires will tell you that after the first 100K, building wealth becomes a game changer. In today's video, we're going to reveal why that happens and how you can make your net worth skyrocket once you hit that magic number. So stick around, because this could change your financial life forever. Let's dive in. Let's face it, the first $100,000 feels like climbing a mountain with nothing but your bare hands. You have to save aggressively, invest smartly, and stay disciplined. It's not easy. But here's the good news. After you hit 100K, the climb gets easier. Why? Because compounding starts working in your favor, and your money begins to make money for you. It's like adding an engine to that mountain climb. In this video, I'll break down why the first 100K is the hardest, the secret forces that make wealth grow faster after 100K, and actionable tips to take full advantage of your momentum. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your money work harder so that your net worth grows faster than ever before. Let's get started. Why the first 100K is the hardest? Here's the thing. The first $100,000 is the toughest to achieve because you're starting from zero. You don't have investments generating returns, so your wealth depends entirely on how much you earn and save. Think of it this way. If you save $10,000 per year, it'll take you 10 years to reach 100K, assuming your money earns no interest. That's why discipline, consistency, and delayed gratification are your best friends early on. But what happens once you hit 100K? Your investments start pulling more of the weight. Imagine this. If your 100K earns a 10% return annually, that's $10,000 in 1 year without you doing anything. Compare that to saving 10K from your income, and you realize that your money just did as much work as you. The key takeaway here is this. The more money you have, the easier it becomes to grow. You've built a foundation, and now you can let compound interest take over. The secret forces that make wealth grow faster. After 100K? Alright, let's talk about why things accelerate after you hit the 100K mark. 1. Compound interest. We've all heard of compound interest, but here's the magic. The larger your investment balance, the faster it compounds. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. Here's a simple example. With $10,000 earning 10% annually, you'll make $1,000 in interest the first year. With $100,000 earning 10%, you'll make $10,000 in interest the first year. And here's where it gets crazy. The next year, you're earning interest on $110,000, not just $100,000. That's the power of compounding. 2. Momentum and positive habits. Hitting 100K means you've likely built strong financial habits, saving consistently, living below your means, and investing regularly. These habits create momentum. You already know what works, so now you can scale up. For example, maybe you start investing larger amounts as your income grows. You may discover smarter investment opportunities like real estate, index funds, or dividend stocks. You've developed the mindset of a wealth builder, which is half the battle won. 3. Snowball effect. The wealth building process is like rolling a snowball down a hill. At first, the snowball is tiny, and you have to push it to keep it going. But as it rolls, it picks up more snow and grows bigger and bigger. Eventually, it gains enough momentum to roll on its own. Once your investments grow past 100K, the snowball effect takes over. Your returns get larger, and you don't have to work as hard to see significant growth. Actionable steps to skyrocket. Your net worth. Now that you understand why wealth grows faster after 100K, let's talk about how you can take advantage of this momentum to skyrocket your net worth. 1. Maximize your investments. If you're not already investing, now is the time to start. Focus on Index funds. These are low-cost, diversified, and perfect for long-term growth. Dividend stocks. They provide passive income while growing your principal investment. Tax-advantaged accounts. Use retirement accounts like a 401k or Roth IRA to grow your money tax-free. Remember, consistent investing, even during market downturns, will supercharge your growth. 2. Increase your savings rate. The more money you invest now, the faster you'll see results. Try this. Cut unnecessary expenses. Increase your income through side hustles, freelancing, or promotions. Automate your savings and investments so you don't even have to think about it. Pro tip. Aim to save and invest at least 20-30% of your income. If you're already there, push for more. 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Here's the trap. As people earn more, they start spending more. But if you can keep your expenses low while increasing your income, you'll have more money to invest. Instead of upgrading to a fancy car or a bigger house, use that extra income to fuel your investments. Trust me, future, you will thank you. 4. Reinvest your returns. Don't pull out the money your investments earn, reinvest it. This allows your returns to compound even faster. If you're earning dividends, use them to buy more shares. 5. Focus on growth assets. Put your money into assets that appreciate over time, such as stocks, real estate businesses. These are the assets that will build real wealth and grow your net worth exponentially. So, here's the bottom line. Hitting your first 100K is tough, but it's worth it. Once you get there, the game changes. Your money starts working harder for you, and wealth building becomes easier, faster, and even more exciting. Remember these key points. Compound interest is your greatest ally. Stick to the positive habits that got you here. Keep investing, reinvesting, and staying disciplined. If you follow these steps, your net worth won't just grow, it will skyrocket. And that's the secret millionaires don't tell you. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Moneywise, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's your plan for hitting that first 100K? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay Moneywise.